Right, good evening, Chelsea fans. Right, there's a news that is coming now, right now, because some of people they are saying Chelsea wanted to sign a goalkeeper to Marama, but it's not true because Chelsea they are not going for him. They are not going for him. Chelsea they are focusing with Sanchez, with Robert Sanchez. So they don't want to sign any goalkeeper. The only things that are here right now is Chelsea is focusing to sign defender. They want to sign to replace Koyo because of injury. But there's rumors that I'm hearing right now. Chelsea they want to sign Cornet. It's not true because the only defender right now they try to press is for Bayer Leverkusen. But I'm not sure if they can sign that defender because they are busy pushing the deal for Garnacho and the Java Simeon. Then also, if it's true for Cornet, it's also good for us because Cornet can replace what call Coin, because the problem of Chalaba and Tonex, we cannot manage to go with those two guys for starting Premier League with those two guys. I think it's the best way. Chelsea must find another CB because right now they are not pushing the deal for this Cornet. It's just a rumors that are here. Chelsea want to sign Cornet, but I'm not sure about it. If I have confirmed, if I confirm from Fabrizio Romano, I'll come back for you guys. Then also there's a news is coming for Liverpool. They want to sign a two defender. They want to sign. I forget to bring another picture for another defender that they want to push to sign defender. They want to sign another defender from Crystal Palace. So right now it's only the news that I know. That one for Liverpool, they want to sign a defender. I'm sure if they sign those two guys, they're going to offload Cornet. But I'm not sure 100% if Chelsea they go for Cornet. But if they go for Cornet, it's also good for us because Cornet can replace Koyo. It's much better Cornet than to go for other defender that they don't have experience, because it's not easy to buy the player from outside, because when they come you don't know they're going to come to perform or going to be from. So it's better, much better you buy someone that you know this guy can compete. It can be much better for you guys, then you can fight for the